this with the bears, how salmon need to swim upstream, but they get caught by bears. Sometimes they get caught by bears, but the salmon swim upstream to lay their eggs, and to start their life cycle over again, Okay, this is a dam that has been built by humans. It is between the ocean and the salmon's nesting place. So humans have caused an issue with the salmon needing to migrate over a large distance to lay their eggs. The dams get in the way. So we asked you guys this questions. Humans built this dam in the river, but the dam prevents the salmon from swimming upstream. What problem does this present for the salmon? Okay, what was the problem? Who remembers the problem? Raise your hand if you remember the problem we wrote down. Who would like to share the problem? Does anyone remember? Okay, Kim's gonna get it out. Kim, you can read the problem if you get it out.
The problem is if the salmon cannot swim upstream, they will not be able to lay their eggs in their nesting place. As a result, the salmon population decreases.
Yes, the population will decrease or go down. Decrease means to go down. Okay, so the population will decrease. Now you guys for homework had to brainstorm an idea to solve the problem of the salmon in the dam. Draw your ideas of how to help the salmon make it upstream. So guys, draw your ideas of how to help the salmon make it up the stream. So here is your homework. We're gonna have some people share. Kim can go first. She was the one that read the problem. Kim, share your idea with class. Oh, let me download it, and then we can look at it so it's not sideways. Right now, it looks like they're swimming down a very tall staircase with very short stairs.
That they jump.
Yeah, they're jumping, but look at the picture kind of makes it look like a very tall staircase with very tiny stairs. Let me open up your picture though. Here we go, and I will rotate it. I will rotate it for us. I need to get rid of some of these photos though. There's too many. Okay, here we go. Share, and we can rotate this. Okay, tell us about your creation, Kim.
This one.
There you go. We have it on the screen. Tell us about it. What's the idea?
They jumped up the stairs.
Yeah, they jump up the stairs. This is a great idea. We should make a staircase, a salmon staircase. A salmon staircase. And then what we can do is we can put Connor's mouth right at the end of the staircase. Right at the end of the staircase, and I can eat the salmon. How does that sound? No?
Oh.
I'm just joking. We can let them lay their eggs first. They can lay their eggs first.
So
very cool.
we read them.
Very nice, Kim. Very good job, Kim. I like your idea.
I like teacher.
Okay, let me share my screen here.
Teacher.
Who else would like to share? Raise your hand quietly if you'd like to share.
Teacher.
Okay, Scart would like to share. So Scart, let's click on Scart's idea here. Scart, let me find you real fast. Scart has a folder. Uh-oh. Okay, it's folder. Here we go. Okay, is this your idea?
Yes.
Okay, what's your idea? Tell us about it.
My idea is the human dam. When the salmon want to lay the eggs, they will go in the road, or I don't remember.
Okay.
Maybe go into the road and come up and lay the eggs.
Okay, so they're gonna go up a road. So is it like on the side of the dam? Is it on the side of the dam? They're gonna have a special road?
Inside.
Inside of the dam. Oh, so you're going to build a special road for going inside of the dam.
Yes,
I
inside.
see.
It
It's like
go
a.
up.
I see. It's a special tunnel for the salmon. Very cool. I like your idea. I like your idea, Scart. Cool. Thank you for sharing. Okay, raise your hand quietly if you'd like to share. Raise your hand quietly if you'd like to share. Okay, let's have Alex. Alex is raising his hand quietly. Okay, Alex, what is your idea? I'm excited to hear it.
Actually is a EPWP. It's routinized electrical power with water pipe. It have a flapper and a pusher. The flapper has a lot of arms to flap in. The pusher push the water can so the water can get to the top. It controls by the electrical
Don't
power
think that's for that.
engine.
Okay, and this allows the salmon to go into the pipe and get pushed up the dam.
Yeah, but it powers by a person. It has to control it on the cabin.
I see. I see. We're going to look at a very similar idea to this, Alex. You have a very good idea. We're going to look at a similar idea to this later today. So cool job, Alex. I really like your drawing as well. Good drawing as well, Alex. Thank you for sharing. So let's go on to the PowerPoint. Okay, guys. So this is an idea that I found that someone has made. This is an idea that I have found that someone has made. So here we go. This is the salmon cannon.
Whoa.
This is a cannon that
The
shoots them
blade.
over the dam.
Hey.
Scanner that decides. There's a computer that decides if it's a salmon or not. There's a computer that can decide if it's a salmon inside or not.
Like a
You
rocket.
guys see it? It was
Let's
very
see that
fast.
heel wow factor.
Salmon are shot 45 kilometers an hour through this tube. So what they're talking about is there's a tribe, there's an Indian tribe that lives here that used to their whole culture is based off of salmon. But I want to show you guys some numbers. So before their dam, there was 800,000 salmon that would go upstream. After they built the dam, there was only now there's only a population of 4,000. So before the dam, there was 800,000. After the dam was made, the population went all the way down to 4,000. Okay, which is a very, very large change. Imagine 800,000 salmon versus 4,000 salmon. So nowadays, there's a lot less salmon using this stream as there used to be. There was 800,000 at one point. 800,000.
Washington.
Okay, so there you go. The salmon cannon shooting salmon over the dam. The salmon cannon. I like the saying that. Okay. So guys, for the rest of class, we're going to do a review and then we're going to play a game of your choice. You guys can choose the game today, either a bamboozle or a quizzes. Okay, but we'll get to the decision later. What events happen slowly? Okay, so what are some events that happen very slowly? Jackie, what are some events that happen slowly? Or just give me one. What is one event that happens slowly?
Erosion.
Erosion is a great one. Good job, Jackie. Ray, what's another one? Do you have another one?
The shifting of the tectonic plates.
Shifting of the tectonic plates. I love it. That's another event that happens slowly. Droughts, glacier, climate change are also examples. Okay, what happens to plants when they do not have water to grow? Jack Vu, what happens to plants when they do not have enough water to grow?
The plant, I think the plant, the leaf of the plant will turn yellow.
Yes, the leaves will turn yellow, they can turn brown, and eventually they might do what? Can you read the answer?
All plants need water to grow. Introvert plants
Plants without water.
Water can cause them to die.
Exactly. Okay, what happens to the food supply for the animals when the plants die because of the lack of water? So what would happen to the animals' food supply because of the lack of water? Scart, what might happen to the food supply? What's going to happen to it?
I think it will go down.
It will go down. It will go down. The food supply
Yes.
goes down. What's another word for going down? What's another word that we've learned that means going down?
Decrease.
Decrease. Decrease. Yep, guys, going down means decrease. Going up is what? Scart?
Going up is increase.
Increase. Exactly. Increase. Okay, explain why a change may kill all the plants in an area, but not all of the animals. Why might all of the plants during a volcanic eruption die, but not all of the animals? Sarah, why might all of the plants during a volcano get killed, but not all of the animals?
Because it's too fast. The animal do not know about that, and plant cannot. If the plant know, it didn't cannot run.
Yeah, the plants aren't able to run.
Volcano will. When the animal be know, it's die.
Exactly. Exactly, Sarah. Even if the animals can run away if they know about it, if the plants know about it, they cannot run away. Exactly. Okay, plants cannot move away to avoid the environmental change, such as the volcanic eruption or a drought. Some animals can flee the area, so some animals are able to move. Okay, so what things try to survive and reproduce? What are some things that try to survive and reproduce? Cherry, what are some things that try to survive and reproduce? What do you think, Cherry? What are things that try to survive and reproduce? Can you give me an example of something that tries to survive and reproduce? Okay, what does the word survive mean, Cherry? What does the word survive mean, Cherry? To live. What things on earth want to try to live? Is it living things or non-living things?
It's a living thing.
Living things. So living things try to survive and reproduce. Living things is the answer, Cherry. Living things try to survive and to reproduce. Okay. Okay, guys, so remember, moving to a new location, plants versus animals. What are some ways that plants are able to move? What are some ways that plants are able to move? Misha, what are some ways that plants are able to move?
Vines climb up.
Plants can climb up.
And seed can fly or fly by wind or can in the water. Can be flow in the water.
Exactly, exactly. Good examples, Misha. Good examples. So seeds can fly, plants can climb, plants can grow in a new direction. Okay, plants can also grow in a new direction. Okay. So then we also can have animals. What are some ways that animals can move? Scart. What are some animals? Not Scart. Sorry, Alex. What are some ways that animals can move? Alex. What are some ways that animals move?
Legs.
Legs. Anything else?
Limb.
Limbs. Okay.
Move away.
Okay. Okay. Let's get someone else to help me with some other ones. Kim, what are some other ones? What about a bird? Or a butterfly?
Muscles. Yes.
Okay, what about a butterfly or bird, though? We're not going to write
Wings.
wings. And how about a dolphin?
Fin.
Fins, tail, flippers. There's tons of different things. So animals have tons of different body parts to be able to move. Animals have different body parts that allow them to be able to move. Okay. Plants are much slower. Okay. Plants are much slower. Animals can move with their body parts. Okay, I'm only seeing the number one. I'm only seeing the number one. I still think it's Kim though. Anyone else want to vote? Anyone else want to vote for the game? Scar and Kim are the only ones that have said anything yet. Alex says one. Okay, guys, we will be doing a bamboozle then. We will do bamboozle then, okay? More people have said bamboozle. So here we go. Oh, I already have the bamboozle up. Here we go. Here is our bamboozle for today. Okay, guys, so we have the boys versus the girls. Let's play some bamboozle. Good luck, girls. Good luck, boys. Let's see who can come on first. Let's have Jack Vu. Jack Vu, you can go first. What should I click on for you? You have to describe the picture to me so we can figure it out.
Two monsters.
Two monsters. Okay, from Monsters Inc. Very cool. Why might an animal or a plant lose their habitat? Why might an animal or plant lose their habitat? Remember, a habitat is their home. Why might a plant or animal lose their home?
To go to the new place to live.
To go to travel somewhere new. Why might they travel somewhere new?
Because many animals lose their habitat to go to make their own habitat.
Yeah, but can you just tell me one way they might lose their habitat? What might cause them to lose their habitat?
They died.
Not if they die. What else? What can make them lose their habitat? Think about something that can happen that would make them lose their home.
They lose. They want to make their home to make their own family.
Okay, to make their own. So we're talking about losing their habitat. Why would they lose their habitat? Remember, their habitat is where they live. Why would they lose it? What could happen to it? What have we been learning about? It can be anything. Okay, I don't think I can give you credit for this one. I was looking for an environmental change, or you provide me an example of a changing environment. Okay, or like, so you could have said a forest fire, a volcano, something like that. Okay, so I'm gonna give it an oops for the boys. Okay, girls, Sarah, you can go. Sarah, you can go. It's your turn. Choose a picture.
I think it's that fish.
A fish. Okay, where's the fish? There are no fishes.
Fish here have a heart. Fish have
Where-
a heart. Here, it's blue.
A blue fish. Oh, Dory. I see. You chose Dory. Okay, explain why a change may kill all the plants in an area, but not all of the animals. Why will all the plants die, but not all of the animals?
One have the tree like volcano. It can run. But
Yes,
animal
the animals
run.
can. Yep. Plants cannot
Can run.
move. Plants cannot move. Animals can. Very good, girls. Okay, girls get some points. There you guys go. Start. Choose a picture or a character.
I choose a man have a muscle.
The muscly man. Okay. Name another word with the same meaning as rapid.
What is rapid? I don't remember.
What's another word that means the same thing as rapid?
What is rapid? I don't
You
remember.
have to know. That's the question. Give me a guess. Give me what's a word that means rapid? We just went over it. We just went over it in class.
Big.
Not big, not big. It means quick, fast, swift, speedy, high speed, express, frisky, lively, and prompt. I wrote tons of words that mean rapid, but remember it means quick or fast.
Okay.
That's an oops for the boys. Okay, the boys aren't starting off very strong. Cherry, choose a picture. The what?
Fairy.
The fairy. Let me find the fairy. Oh, I see her. I see her. There we go. Oh, no points. Sorry, Cherry. The girls have no points for that one. Alex, choose a picture.
The monkey guy.
The monkey guy. Let me find a monkey guy. Where's the
No,
monkey guy?
Next to the frog.
What events happen quickly? What events happen quickly?
Oh no, I think it must be volcano.
A volcano. Very good. Floods, mudslides, volcanoes would all be correct. The boys finally get some points. Thank you, Alex. Kim, choose a picture.
I choose a frog.
A frog. Okay. What happens to plants when they do not have enough water to grow?
They die.
Yes, they die. Their population might decrease. Very good job. Okay, Ray, choose a picture. So guys, 4 of these will be a bamboozle. We've already had one of them.
Number 3, left to right to up to down.
3 left to right. This one?
Yes.
The guy getting like electrocuted, it looks like.
Yes.
Captain Hook. Okay, Captain Hook it is. Name one idea that could help this get the salmon over the dam.
But we could build something like a slope for the salmon to go up.
Okay, I like your idea. Very cool. Salmon staircase, shooting the salmon, and many more. You guys all came up with your own idea. I just want to hear your idea. Very good. Okay, let's have Misha choose a picture or I guess a character.
I choose the elephant.
The elephant, the flying elephant. Look at how that animal can really move. Okay, win 20 points. Good job, Misha. Win 20 points. That's a good bamboozle. That's a good bamboozle. Okay, let's have Milk choose a picture.
I choose the turtle.
The turtle. Okay. Name one way plants can move. One way plants are able to move. What part of the plant can move?
The stem.
Not the stem. Not the stem. So let me check the answer. It is the spreading of seeds. They can spread their seeds, they can climb other plants, and they can grow tall towards the sun. So that's gonna be on, oops. Okay, girls. You guys you're still winning. Let's have Sarah. Choose a picture. Sarah, choose a picture. Yeah, there's only 4 girls, I think. There's only 4 girls. Sarah, choose a picture. The classes are smaller now. You have to go more often. You have to go more often. The classes are smaller. Okay, name one positive of a beaver dam. One good thing about a beaver dam. These are hard. What's something that's good about the beaver's dam?
I think it's new play for plant and animal.
What is it?
It's new place for plant and animal.
Oh, a new place for a plant or animal. Yes, that is correct. The environment changes and can support different types of life. Very good. For some reason, guys, this is not corrected. This does not look right. For some reason, my editing did not work, but good job. The girls now have 90 points. Okay, let's have Jackie. Are you able to unmute? No? Okay, Scart, choose a photo.
I choose the cowboy.
The witch? Okay.
Cowboy.
Oh, the cowboy. Okay, the cowboy. Win 20 points. Win 20 points. Very cool. Good job, boys. Okay, let's have the girls go. Let's have Cherry choose a photo.
I think it will give points.
The sad one. Okay. What happens to the food supply for an animal when plants die because of the lack of water? What will happen to the food supply when the plants die because of the lack of water? Is the food supply going to increase or decrease if the plants die because of a lack of water? Yeah, they're gonna die, but what happens to the food supply? The amount of food. The food supply is the amount of food. What will happen to the amount of food when the plants die? Will the amount of food go up or will it go down? What do you think, Cherry?
It go down.
It's gonna go down. Exactly. It's gonna go down. The food supply goes down. Good job. Okay, 25 points for the girls. Okay, let's have Pasta. Pasta, are you here? Choose a picture.
I choose the man on the reindeer.
Okay, name 2 ways animals can move to a new place.
They can run. They can
Okay.
run, or they can walk.
Walk or run. Okay, they can use their legs, fins, flippers, tails, wings. This is what I was looking for, but you also answered the question. They can run or walk to a new place. Okay. Good job, boys. It is a very close game. I'm wondering who's going to win at this point. Let's have a girl go. Let's have Kim choose a picture.
A witch. A
What do you
witch.
want?
A witch.
A witch. Okay. What events happen slowly? What's an event that happens slowly?
Sun.
Erosion, droughts, glaciers, and climate change are also an example. Very good. Okay, let's have the boys go. Ray, choose a picture. Which one do you want?
The one that's flying.
Aladdin. Okay, you want Aladdin. Take 20 points from the girls. That's a great one. Okay, girls, if this is not a bomb, you will be our winner. The girls will be our winner. Misha, which one do you want? You want the last one?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, it's not a bomb. What happens to the population of salmon when humans build dams? What happens to the population of... It goes down. Very good. The girls are our winner.
Yahoo! La 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 la.
Okay, guys, let's go over your homework. Your homework is to read page 330 in your book. It looks like this. Read page 330 in your book. You're going to read about humans changing the environment. You're going to read about humans changing the environment. There are 4 ways you're going to read about. These are 4 ways you are going to read about humans changing the environment. What I want you guys to do, okay, is then write one way that humans can fix or help one of these changes. So choose one and help come up with a fix or solution to this problem. See if you guys can come up with an idea. This time I want you guys to write down your idea. Write down your idea. If you want to draw, you can also draw your idea. But make sure to write it down this time. Write it down, and if you want to, you can also draw your idea to solve one of these problems. Okay, to solve one of these problems, you are going to learn about how humans change the environment. Okay, guys, that is it for today. I will see you guys on Monday next week. Bye-bye, guys.